See the pre guys. This is the cornmeal one. And this is the potato one. Cornmeal. As you see what I go on? Got that. Soon finishing guys, but I'm tired. Look around the pot. Look around the pot guys. You can see all the pudding is away from around the pot guys. That is all pudding looking at. So yes guys, as you see, we just land down here. Just land down here now guys. You see me? So I make them cool down.
I bless the love it's tonight, man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slicking Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I said? Lock it down, it's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burn and we got.
Natural, you see what I did? Well cool, I feel it all gone on in my vein. Yes, my beautiful people all over the world. This I cook and without a much container. So deep, but just style. Put the rice in the bag. This is how we do it in Jamaica.
You hear me? Raz Vital done. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital.
Greetings, greetings all my beautiful people all over the world. You know what I mean? You don't know a DJ Wicked Vlogs in the place once more. You know what I mean? Yes peeps, and today guys, as me say, we're out here again. And today me I go take you on a baking mission guys. Yes no man, me I show you how we bake today guys, and we are going to bake a pudding for you guys. You see what me I say? Yeah man, so guys, before you reach a further end of the video guys, make sure you like, share, and if you're new over here guys, yeah man, make sure you just click the notification bell. Yeah man, hit that subscribe bell guys, and just hit all. So whenever I drop a content, you guys will be the first to be updated. So here one guys, yeah man, we are going to get to the video, you know guys. So watch what I go on. Watch what I go on. We have some coconut here guys. Yeah man, we have two and a half coconut here. So yeah man, get them break up and you see what I say? Start get to work. You see the pre? Yeah man. Move the ball game come down already guys. So go and break up them coconut yeah. And go and dig them out. You see the pre? So I just one of them two guys, you just there go and do the right thing. So me I go and get the coconut break up guys. You know? You don't know. That one here go nice today guys. You notice me now have the ingredients and put out it guys. That one here go be a bomber. Yeah man. So stay tuned. Watch what go on. That one here is a must people. You see it? Ain't gonna be no fuss. So yes guys, they are going to take time out so the coconut them guys, as you see. Yeah man, me I go and show you a little every little thing, you know, so go and hook the coconut them guys. You know, shell them out. Take them out of the shell. You see pre, so yes no man. Stay tuned, watch what go on guys. As me say, if you're new over here, make sure you subscribe guys. Hit that notification bell. So whenever I drop a content, you guys will be the first to be updated. You see what I go on? That is it, man. Stay tuned, man. So yes guys, they are get the coconut them real wash up and thing, you know guys. You know DJ's Wicked Vlogs do it already. You see what I go on? Yes no man. So me there throw off water, you notice how the coconut then look guys. Yeah man, fully clean. See that? Yes no man. So we active out here guys, we get them grate up. Show no what I go on. You see what? Yes guys, as you see. Don't know coconut start grate your people. No joke. You see that? This ain't no chicken or no pork. Yes people, we active out here man, we active, you know. They are with life with Torrent here today guys. As you say, we're there on a baking mission. You know? Papa make be nice in the background there guys. Yeah man, the boss up in this video, you know. So guys, remember if you go over there and check out Life with Orintia guys. Yeah man. Go over there and show us some love guys. Yeah man, take the subscribe list up, you know. That is it people. So there go and keep it jiggy. So stay tuned for when we done grate the coconut and all of that. We show no more what I go on. As you see what I go on? Look at that. Soon finish, you know guys, but I'm tired. No, tell you no lie guys. I'm tired of all. Like me have to also get a new grater guys. When I get dull up, you know. Slow, you know, than regular. I have to go work on it guys. So me there here guys, I go on 1-3, you know. Get the ball game up. Get the ball game going, you know. The liquid is very much rich, so that's the reason why I use so much coconut, you know. More on the pudding for taste, well nice guys. So when you want a thing to taste real good, you have to put out the energy like the best, you know. Yeah man. So stay tuned when me a juice the coconut and carry out the ingredients. You see it peeps. That yeah guys, about the juicy coconut, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, me a juicy coconut, you know guys. You see that? So stay tuned for when me a put in the pot peeps. Stay tuned for when me a juice it in the pot. So yes guys, as you see, me there here I go and squeeze the coconut and all of that, you know. Get out most of the trash out of the pudding pan. So whenever I chew it out in the pot, you know, me not much trash in the strainer thing. You see what I mean? But as you can see, very rich milk guys. Very rich coconut milk. Look at that. See that? Yes no man. That is it my people man. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned guys. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Juicy. Make the juice in the pot, you know. Yes, no man. Put it round for that side. Yes guys, so about the juice it in the pot, you know. So That is it, that is it. Yeah man, coconut milk, throw it in a pot. As I say, people can't get no richer than that, guys. Look at that. See that? Fully rich. Yeah man, fully rich people. So that for now. Stay tuned for when me actually peel the potato, the sweet potato. Yes guys, stay tuned for all of that music. Yes guys, as you see, we have some sweet potato here. Get them peel up, you know guys. Get them peel up, you know. Yeah guys, so they are going to peel up potato them, you know. So stay tuned guys when I peel them, when I finish peel them and I grate them. You see it peeps? Yeah man. Stay tuned for all of that, you know. That is it. Okay guys. Them thing of people have to buy 300 a pound for. And then sitting here 300 a pound, you know guys. 300 a pound. Be a wormhole. Cause one time gone man used to wait for certain. Wait for the dark night for plant. A man now wait for the dark night again guys, because man does a plant. A man I tell himself, say boy, they want if you come in, look at guys, look for a knife sharp till it all touch me. Every man want them to come in by a certain time guys, you see it? Then can catch some money, so man now watch worm again or then something. Man just want to know say money I make. When they come on road and sell them deer. That's one of them things there guys. You know? As you say. Nothing not turn back, you know. Hope everything I go now peeps, so you have to just go and stay focused and do a move like no locust. Tell the people, cause on the rate I see this government they are going with people. If you forget the next 5 years in this with dead, yeah, leave it. Your boss you get the next 5 years in this. Jamaica gone to the dog. Yeah, tell you. Put fun and joke aside, put the heart aside, and speak justice and see. Yeah, man, a better country we want people. Peeps, we can't start doing no work on the house either because I just the little material them we go purchase the other day, you know, and we don't get any more donation as yet. Donation is there, but I have to buy stuff for the full cook, you know. So guys, I just desert there. You see it, and boy Jane Bank do me a little thing there, boy. I have to just go and patient and go and wait. But at the first and the last, that I go catch me. Yeah man. So Jane, if you don't hear me, goodbye to you. Anytime my money free up, man. Anytime my money free up, different bank, me a lock down the account. You not deserve people money, brother. I must say, you know, you know one of the wickedest set of people I may ever see. You know, wickedest bank me ever see in a history, brother. And me I tell you, say, I just God on time. The Jane, you know, God on time, man. Yeah, man. Imagine man go work so hard and come back put their money in a bank. I wanna hold on for people money like a fool. No? You see it? And that piss me off, me I tell you. Piss me off. This lady lied to me, tell me say me gonna get my money. My money gonna ready by 7 working days. I'ma put my money there. And all know me can't get my money. All know me can't get my money Jane Bank. All know me can't get my money Jane Bank. You see what I say? It's not a good style and me say yo. You not even know man, me I tell them say yo. I just God on time man. Judgment me I put pound in judgment man. Where all the bank they crash and we not hear nothing more about it. And them judgment they me I talk about Jane. Yeah man. Them judgment them man. Cause no man beat God powers, you know. Yeah man. And I know a wicked set of people them. Imagine people go out of the country, go work overseas. Coming back in our country. You know, put their money in a bank and that you know do with people money, lock it. You know, and make it look like say people. You know what I mean? But God on time. God on time. Jane Bank. God on time. Yeah man. Tell you. See me like how the government have we are hold it back and we are say God on time. God on time we do not to jail. Wicked set of people who no be. You know? Wicked, very, very wicked. I tell you now, I can't stop talking about this. Tell you now, man go work hard in a cold. Come back. I don't hold on for people money like a fool. No? After this person tell me 7 working days time. When me go check it. I think at the 9 or so. At the end of the day, me can't get my money. But I got on time. Got on time. See guys. Just wash off the cool little coconut. Wash off for the grater. Look like say it never the grater nothing. Rinse off my cool little sweet potato. See that guys? I know black sweet potato always have the little black stuff on them already. So grate up the potato, you know guys. Grate up the potato, yes, guys. Guys, as you can see, fire that my ketchup there, you know guys. You see that? So me have a fire there so catch. And right that's wow. Not so good. Potato, you know. Smoke the blaze, guys.
What's up, please?
guys, as you can see, may I go on? Yeah, man, so guys, go up on the last piece, you know. Last piece, tired door, guys. See that, guys? See that? See that? We need to get it out, huh? So yes, guys, as you can see, potato is ready. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna stir up the coconut milk and now for you. See that, guys? Yes, no, man. As I say, fire the one side of blaze, as you can see, to peeps. You see that? Yeah, man. And there, so I go and match up this peeps. So I add in the sugar, guys. And if you not see me clearly. Yeah, man, I add in the sugar. And this is vanilla, guys. Yeah, man. Add in some vanilla. You see that? Yeah, you know what is this, guys? Good old rose and now, man. See that? That me at talk about, guys. Yeah, peeps. Active, you know. Yeah. Kevo. Carry the salt buckle come for me, please. Oi. Oi. Yeah, mommy there. Something she got and do, man. So yes, guys, me there are storying. As me I say, me don't know if you not see me good one. Put it where me quite sure you not see me good. So yeah, man. Yeah, go and mix out the sugar. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to add a little salt inside here, guys. Not much. That have to just give you notice that not even 1 teaspoon, because we Jamaican we actually have the weight and the measurement and everything already, as you guys know. Yeah, man, so I go and stir to make a taste shortly, see what's going on for it. And I think this liquid probably can do whole lot, as you see, so but nothing probably will freeze some of the liquid in the fridge, so we can add some to do another set another time, you know? So, let's stir and then we taste and see what's going on again. It's nice, but it won't. Kev, oh. Yeah, nothing make come there for me. Yeah, I want nothing make come and no more sugar. Me bring like granulated sugar come for me. Nothing make on the white sugar. Yeah, man, just get back to come and take out this. Yes guys, as we say, you know, make him too sweet, you know, but you want him to have a little peeps and all shadows. Now put more, just little chip more. I have a flavor already, you know, taste it.
Yes, guys, it's good man.
Yes, good for you guys, you know, I like.
That
No
drink
joke.
it right now, that drink I follow it.
So as you say guys, you don't know. Grandma raised you up good, you know, show we all of them things so. She claim to say if you know them things so woman can't take you for fool and them things. I don't know who for granny not telling them something because you don't know. Granny, you know, always want to see them grandson, you know, be the best, you know. So even though you see me not come out to be the most educated one and sometimes throw away, you know, we're bad and tough head. But guys, you there, man. You there. Even though we're tough headed, you know, people, we still can do little like grandma style, you know. So we are going people. We are going people. We are going fully are going. So yes, peeps. Here goes the nutmeg inside there. All game I put in vanilla already, but I think little more guys, you know. This one just want it to be nice and, you know, wife you can seal her, wife you can boast about it. And believe me, say you can't drop some people, you know. Just right on the bottom drop. Let us show you how God is good, you know. And you have the positive things, you know, man. That's how we just feel, you know. Yeah, man, most time I will feel myself, you know. What do you princess? That's nice, man. Yes, guys, you there. They are on the mission, they are on the mission. They are on the mission, guys. They are on the mission. So now, we can cover back this pot. Now, we're gonna add the flour inside this. You see this? We're gonna add the flour inside there. Add the flour inside here, guys. And if I not make you use some of the milk and make people one calm food for you guys as well. So just stay tuned, guys. You there? And we are going to do the right thing. We want to see everything we are going. You see me? Kev, what looks here, no wheat flour there. So yes, guys. Let's try to do this as stir now. Peeps, I may say if you want to smell the fragrance, well, come out right. I tell you. I want to smell the fragrance, so come out right, guys. So stay tuned. So yes, guys, I just add in the wheat flour. Add in the wheat flour, I add in some baking powder now, guys. Yeah, man, here's the wheat flour as well, guys. You don't know healthy. The best way, so use liquid white and liquid wheat flour, guys, because you don't know, we used to the white flour because you don't know grandma and them used to just use straight white flour, you know. But you don't know, for DJS Wicked Vlogs, may I bring a little difference to the thing. Yeah, so may I add some wheat flour to mine. You know, wish some of you guys was here to even sample it and tell me what you guys think. But yeah man, without here my people and my family them everything, you know mean a lot to me. You know mean so much to me. So guys, me I go get this spoon and come back and show you a little while go on. Yes, as you can see, I'm back. I'm back with the epic show. See that my people. So look what I go on. Now we pour all that nice liquid. Pour some inside there. Yeah, my daughter. Yeah, my baby. Okay, my sugar plum. And there I go and mix up a little thing, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So let me see what I go on, people. You now make it too watery.
What?
And you now make it too thick. You see, pre? Yeah, man. I may tell you, say, peeps, the wheat flour give it a nice look. May I tell you guys, the wheat flour give it a nice look, guys. I just love the look of me I see, guys. I'm not lying. So, me here stirring. As I see, it I get that body. So you see, my name pour too much in there. So you have to pour and watch. You know, you can't really just pour because we have the hand to pour. We have to pour and limit our hand. As you say, Jamaican have the measurement in our hand, you know, people. You know the ball game go already. So guys, as you see, very nice smelling, real good people. If you're the right here, I know and I smell the fragrance. I know for you guys I smell it through the TV still and through the phone. A lot of you guys knows it's very good, you know, man. I know guys. A lot of you guys knows it's very well good. So guys, good day here. You know, this is a great thing because it can teach a lot of you guys how to bake for yourself. You know what I mean? So yeah, me not hide nothing, guys. As me I tell you, me just be myself, be creative, you know, and present content to you guys. Have some lump in it, guys. I'm trying to get it out. It's just a potato lump still in it. Mix up with the flour. So trying to get out that, you know. So guys, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. My people them baking powder, everything inside here already, guys. So I know you guys curious, wonder, you know, everything inside here. And you see the thickness that it have already. Can you guys see that? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Watch what I go on as me I take you on the baking journey. And see now, we have two mixture here. We have two mixture. See the pre, guys? This is the cornmeal one. And this is the potato one. Cornmeal one is just a pretty much small one. Because I say I never want none of the ingredients to go to waste. I must have to put no more of this, but you know, we just want bad too. You see me? Yeah guys, it just want to eat. Here's what I say. Delicious to the people too. Yeah man. There I go and do the right thing. Do the right thing, peeps. Not so. See that, peeps? So here we have the cornmeal one, guys. Same wheat flour in it, guys. And here we have the potato, guys. So stay tuned. I want 2 pieces of zinc, you know. See the fire they catch as me tell you. You see me, I go get my butter, grease up pot and all of that. So guys, stay tuned. A whole day baking, you know. And you guys have to there with we. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Good old potato pudding. And I tell you 100% potato, guys. Most side a potato. You see it? Yeah, man. So, and this, I just little tip of cornmeal. So, who would I say cornmeal I go burn them stomach? You won't get that burn in there because we use just a little and mostly wheat flour. You see it, guys? Yeah, man. So that's the difference. So, people, me just share the ingredients with you with the cornmeal reason bean. Sometimes you have a little ingredients where you hide where you don't really want everybody to know. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm never really video doing this one. Me just do the regular potato for you guys. So whosoever want me to do the cornmeal one, who no see the secret, yeah guys, comment and let me know. I'll do it now. Content shortly for you guys. Yes, no man. Big up Island family, no man. When you guys are come home, you know, man, they have to bake up some of them something for you guys, you know. No thing going on Island tribe. Yeah, man, Jason and Jana, big up on yourself. Christmas list, D-Mango, big up on yourself. Kino, life in Jamaica, big up on yourself. So, may I say, yeah, man, Godfrey has burned, big up yourself, Tina Jenna. So, no, man, me there. Go and mats up. Get the thing real nice, proper. Yeah. So guys, you there, man. There. As you see the mixture real and proper, guys. Can't get no better than that. Real and proper, you know. See that, guys? Right. So stay tuned. Watch, guys. Yes, guys. When I have no butter, no butter peeps. So what I'm gonna use is some cooking oil. I'm gonna tip just a little. Then I don't know, kind of just so in the pot. You just want to get everywhere in the pot, kind of grease, guys. So what we're doing now is just grease in the pot. Yeah, guys, you just grease in the pot now. You know? Yeah, man, and we call this Ella top, Ella bottom. Hallelujah, and I miggle. You see it, people? Yeah, and so then call that one, guys. I know if this can hold another pot there, no, guys. So guys, I have to go hunt a piece of zinc now. So I can get for the next one. So that are the mats, guys. See that, peeps? Yeah. So look what I go on, guys. Little bit of fire in there. Let's see if one tap there. As I say, Ella bottom, Ella top, hallelujah, and I middle. The hallelujah is the pudding, you know. Yeah, and so me I do that one to the people. Pot cover me I use for that one, you see it? Yeah, man, so you don't see the pre. As me say, adventure, if you go on food, anything means necessary. For create content, I'm out here doing it for you guys once. And something to make me stay out of trouble and stay positive for you guys. I will always be doing it, guys. So yeah, man, stay tuned. For when me I go look upon him again, me I go put on a little more fire on top so he can little more active. Down the bottom, I really want no more fire. You see it? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. That one here, I go nice. Believe me, man. Sweet, guys. As you can see, one more fire build up over there. Yeah, man. And we have one pudding for fire, guys. So yeah, man. I check him, you know. See where he might go out, you know. But take time, I go on. go on. So, guys, today I'm on. We are waiting for one piece of zinc so we can arrange up next fire for put on the next one. You see it? Yeah, man. So you guys are going to stay update and see what I go on. So, today, people, active. Just go and stay tuned, watch what I go on. Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to get the zinc a little wash off. You don't know, nah, going to be the prettiest, but you don't know cleanliness, you see it? So, you have to do what you have to do, you know, people. Just to present good and clean things. The other side you have over, but the side you have to look clean, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, I go and lead people, grandmother style, you know. Grandmother say, you know, prepare dirty food, you know, people. You're supposed to come up to see the dirty food. That is it. So see it there, guys, look at it. Look good, though. Yes, no, man. So we do it, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, I give a pot here rinse out because I say all when the pot clean, you know, you have to just give it a rinse out next year, you say. You know, you guys can see them something that take place on camera. You see it? Because you know the thing go. So, stay. You want to sleep, you know, people, but you want to put on in for music. Yeah. So, you can go on. Right, okay, so you know, catch up in yourself, you know. Maybe they are go on and go on like say, you know, catch. You know, say. When you say fire to catch and not joke too. There are people who are left little fire underneath to see you. You see it. So, I go and make this go and stay one side and catch up, you see it. So we have video here, premiere same way, guys. Meanwhile we are going to do with content here, so the ball game going on. The ball game goes up. Watch how we are going to deal with that style, you know, guys. Wash off man again. I've been using this one all along. Here's the pot, guys. Same treatment, tip in some oil night. I say we don't have no butter. You see that? As I say, people, we don't want thing too sticky night, so we have to fully grease him, you know. We have to fully grease him, good. So see it? Grease here, grease up pot there, guys. Grease up. I know how long some people not see them something I go on. Long time some people not see them something a years in the overseas and, you know. So want to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Yeah, man. Like, share, comment and subscribe. So set on the pot now, guys. I will go for the pudding pan because I'm the carry team. I go for it. So yes, guys. Here is it. Here is it. Pour some of it in the pot, guys. Pour some, So guys, here you have it. Another one on the fire. Yeah, man, so I put on the covering now, guys. Then I just sketch up the fire. Really nice. See that, guys? The top, the bottom, the blue here and the middle. The deal. Time to start blaze up fire now, guys. Guys, so they are going to do right thing. Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah. We take a look at the pattern and see what I want to do. Wow, change color them on. I take time to change color, guys. I wonder if you can see them now. See if we can make you sit down night a little better, guys. See if we can make you get a closer look. You know what I'm getting? So guys, just be here with me. You see that, people? Yeah, man. That a go on, guys. So that a go on, guys. Now see if we can make you see your next little. I will go another pot of said speed, you see me? I'm telling you guys, I just saw mistake. I just want to update for what I go on, you see me? Yeah, man. I want to make me do this, you know? Yeah, see night, guys? Yeah, man, you just catching color and see. And I go on, you know? The fire is hot. Fully bad, guys. You see it? Yeah, man, so that a go on. What a go on, you know? Yeah, man. Ella bottom, Ella top, hallelujah, and I middle. Ella bottom, Ella top, hallelujah, and I middle. Yes. So, guys, as I say, can't get no better than these peeps. Always I try to present some good content to you guys, you see it? So, I beg you to please and thanks, guys, just continue like, share, comment and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, man. People, if you're new, yeah, man, nobody afraid to hit the subscribe bell, guys. Yeah, man, make sure you hit all, so whenever I drop a content, you can be the first to be updated, you see me? Yeah, man, I know DJ's Wicked Vlogs always the year I go and do it thing. Yeah, man, I want to say big up Christmas list. Yeah, don't know Real General. Big up Island family as well, because you don't know them, man. There. If I name for him, guys, you won't know me, you see it? Yeah, man, so enough love to Island family. Big up. Yeah, man, truly grateful. Big up Stigma Boss. Big up Kim Vlogs. Yeah, man. Life with Orintia. Big up yourself, wife. You know the thing go already. Yeah, man, so we there, guys, I go and do the right thing. Yeah, man, so as me say, just go and watch what I go on, man. Yeah, fire there, must still. Think a cool breeze. So we there. Yes, little more. So yes, guys, take a little look down in the pot, see what I go on there. See what I go on, guys. Yeah, man. Yes, no, man. So as me say, guys, you don't know them something here. I know 1 hour sitting. I know 2 hours neither. So if I show you everything, it's gonna be a long video. So I'm just trying to show you a little piece. So make you check out that one I know, guys. Me just pack up some stick and tap it. Yeah, that one I first put on now, guys. And them a move slower, but them a go on. In slow, but I'm sure. You see it? So, that tight. That tight, peeps. So they are active, you see me? Yes, no, man. Don't know. One Kevin there.
Hey guys, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe and comment.
That is it, people. So we're there. What you say? Say something to you people, you know. What you say?
I coming back to school and them say is present them at the keep up my school.
Oh guys, she had talk about our carol service. It put off. Yeah man, so our carol service I come up guys. Yeah man, so stick and stay. If you don't see it on my channel, you know it's gonna be on live with Orintia. So yes people. Out for now until when we check the pudding again. That is it. So guys, you go check see what go on the pot again. See the guys that take time look a little better on top there now. So that look cheap but through a pot cover guys, you know the steam. I take long to go through but look what go on there so. Like I have to take off the fire by the top guys. You see pre? Yeah, I'm going to take off the fire by him guys. So pack up more side over fire say you know. Pack up more side that is steaming.
Actually pot cover thick.
Guys, that go on you know. Oh yes, all like fire build up you know. All like fire. And just do this like this you know. Spread out the fire making go and take time doing thing. See that guys? Just the one. That is it. That is it. We just making go and take time doing thing. No, look at that nice potato pudding. Yes, my people. So we just making go and steam, soak, and make that. That one is a cornmeal pudding now, guys. So if you notice how quick this one catching color and going, and just pre that one there. Cause are two different pudding. You see it, guys? But cover get real tight, guys. Hot fire, guys. So that is it for now. You see it? Stay tuned until me land one of them, you know. Cause you see how the thing set. So you know, say go on the next 45 minutes, one can land. You see it? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, man. DJ's Wicked Vlogs there. Present some nice content, guys. So, guys, what really happened? Me have to take off the cover off of that one and put over there because that one actually soon finish. And this one is still looking like this. No, it's getting there, you know, guys. As you can see, but me just want a little more stronger fire. January fragrance, so we are get our 5 people. No, man. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on my people, man. I'll put that one here, right on this one. So guys, yeah man, take it and put it on top of the pot now. Drive it so clean and anything blur up that way. You see it, peeps? Yeah man, so that is that, people. As me say, you can't just be there and I say this and that, you know, you have to turn your hand make fashion. So that's how me do, people. You see what I go on? That is it. Active out here. So yes guys, look around the pot. Look around the pot, guys. You can see how the pudding is away from around the pot, guys. That is how pudding looking at what when it well soaked, guys. So right now I just want to take off, you know, and put on for cool. You see that? Yes no man, that is it. You have your kid with teeth, you know, guys. How you are the one got the treatment and teaching. I go along so good, you know, guys. You could a deal. So here one of people, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Yeah man, I'm gonna take it off, you know. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Give your brother a camera. because she run things, you know, guys. Woo. Here, guys. I take off the cover, you know, guys, but me just make it, you see me? Me just feel boasty. You see that? Active. You know you feel good for no say. You get a little teaching. You want to say something?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to your father's channel. You could have deal. Hey, watch your face, guys. Hey, people. I say you don't know a family moment right now. Yeah. See my son over there, so too, guys.
Big up, guys.
Yeah, so we active. And we there. You see me? I go check Pana one and I want to see what I go on tonight. You see that, people? See that one that take time come and know, people. That is the Cornmeal one, you know, people. Yeah, man, I put on the next potato one me have there. But you see how the Cornmeal one look, guys. Peeps, can't wait. Me can't wait. Excited. You could have deal. You know, here, man. You could have deal. Sweet kitty. Sweet kitty, no? So yes, guys, as you see, we just land one here. Just land one here now, guys. You see me? Yeah, man. So me I make them cool them, and then we make them see the flower go on. You see it? I'm going to show them out and make them see what is that. You see that, peeps? So guys, we have 2 pots of pudding so far. Our next one up on the fire there go on. Just put him on. Yeah, so it looking here, guys. So I go on Cornmeal pudding. Potato pudding, guys. You put a deal. That is it. So we just all go and wait for them to cool, guys. Because if they're not cool, then can't cut nice, you know. Especially this one, so you know we are wait for them to cool, guys. That is it.
Come on, yeah.
So you don't know Christmas season, guys, so we have to have any sweet mouth, yeah. That is it, peeps. Active out here. Yeah, man. So
Yeah, guys, big up.
yes, no, man. I'm there, people. On the ball I roll, I go and do it to your daughter about B. Yeah, I'm not give you a camera though. Guys, I just decided I go cut this one, the Cornmeal pudding. I'm kinda hungry. I want to taste how it tastes as well too. Chew it not cool, guys. You know, I'll get a comfortable cut there. You see it? I'll mash up. Now I'll get a comfortable cut there. See it, guys? Mash up because, you know, it's not really. But you got taste. Make wife taste as well, kind of hot. Look half piece. Alright, take a piece of hot dough.
Hot, guys.
The camera lock off.
It's nice. But the hot.
Guys, I'm not take out no more after this because it's a mash up. As you can see, it's a mash up, guys.
Alright.
So, yeah, man, very, very nice as well, guys. Not like very, very nice. Taste it. And you let the puss out there, but me I say make wife taste it first, you know. So, they hear that one here, the cornmeal one mixed with the wheat flour. So I go on, guys. Wheat flour. Yeah, man. And we have a potato to sample very shortly. Or probably later, down in the night when it's cool. So just stick and stay, people, watch you all go on. One DGS Wicked Vlogs. I have to taste it at phone, you know, guys. I have to taste it at phone. But people, rose and almond vanilla, you get every taste. You say to them, wifey. Wifey say, nah, bother people. But have a buzz. Have a buzz to people. Have a buzz. Cornmeal mixed with wheat flour. Try it at home. More time we have to, you know, leave out some of the too much white flour and go wheat, you know. Oh. That's dry, people. You know. I want to big up life with Orintia. You don't know. She buy the ingredients and can come up, people. The dog a jump on feed one people. I have to wait. It's just a puppy one. And dog a show off on both here. People, I'm a neighbor dog no more, but I say when I treat animal good, they no left them. Boy peeps, they say me just a cut that piece there easy, but one piece more, baby. I tell you, man, I tell you, call for a second round, man. Call for a second round for chew, me not tell me no lie. Me say the butler sent terrible. Now wait till I make a piece of cool. People, my wicked, Jesus Christ, I'm about up wife is up.
You see that, guys?
Me say people,
hot like fire.
nice, me have to go back again, me not lie. You know them with the people? Yeah, man. You see when you look about something and you see you have to go back again, man. Jesus Christ, you know say. Jesus, and people who know say me crave, look for that thick piece here when me cut. And that way Kevin, me cut piece off of it for him. It thick for chew, guys, look for him. No, sir. Me cut off piece of my big boy, man. Yeah, so left a piece of him, guys. And take that piece here. Kevin! Wife, you're full joy though. Mr. People, everything right night. You don't want too much, you don't want to use sugar. You just alright. Puppy. I say puppy, I beg me please, people. 39 I go pick it up in our child. I said, Jesus Christ. I said, look for a little crave one there. All it at him and deep, watch it. Nice, it nice, huh? Your mother don't get none of that, no, man, I show you something to people. Look at. Look at. Watch it. You nearly take it from the mother, you know? People, all the dog, they love how I look about. All the dog, they love out my food. People, this car is on subscribe, man. Yeah, man. This call for your 10K. Yes, people. Now tell no lie. That video, call for some subscriber. People, we need to check out DJ's Wicked Vlogs. You come Jamaica, you know? Prepare it right in front of your face, no see what I go on. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, man. Wife, you have full joy. And daughter, eat up. Daughter, don't put nothing over apple in the people. Nothing at all. Puppy, Bill. So you're going viral here, man. Puppy want to come teeth from a piece of food. You see if it ever drop out of me and Jesus Christ. Grab it. Peeps.
Hey, see me, John, you know. One go. Pepper Brain represent for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you see? You get it? I'm here saying me tired and nightmares. Tired to sit around with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the big in a Times Square. One go DJ Wicked Vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.